Hey guys, so just found out about this cool trick on these new Milwaukee fastbacks from Texas Tool Crib. So there's a little lock in here, and if you shake it, come on, but there's blade storage in there. So that way you can put another blade back in here. So, focus. Alright, so you see this little lock bar right here? So there's a little slit right there, where it goes in at. You put in. Oh, there we go. This? Yeah, doesn't matter. It can be either way like this. And then, just slide that in. Then there's this little bar here that goes into the teeth. So you just have to make sure it's down far enough. And that holds it pretty good. Could be a little bit better, but I don't know, holds it in decent. So, just a cool little video for you. If it starts to slide out, just push it back in, and it should be just fine. Thanks for watching. If you thought this was cool, please give the video a like. That's it. If you want more information, let me know in the comments. Oh yeah, so just saying real quick, I'll post up a link to Texas Tool Crib's video of this down below, and he has better on how to put in the blade and everything. But yeah, alright, so that's it.